Tired of browsing through student accommodations in Tucson? Relax. 317 North Vine Avenue is everything you need. These 2-bed apartments come with a refrigerator for all your meal prep groceries, an oven to reheat leftovers, and a dishwasher to take care of what remains. Don't worry about laundry piling up. The on-site washer and dryer will tackle it for you. Decorate this space like your dreams. Your new home is a canvas, and you're the artist. And bring your pets along. They belong with you in this pet-friendly living. Recharge in the garden with your fuzzy buddies after a long day at school. You're always safe in this controlled access building, just like your vehicles in the dedicated parking space. With the University of Arizona just around the corner, and Prma Community College the quickest drive away, you can snooze your alarm for a little longer and not be late. Make your daily commute easy with buses from the nearby rec center or South Stadium Garage, or hop onto a train from 2nd Street Highland Avenue. Explore the city and beyond. Mark your spot at 317 North Vine Avenue with amberstudent.com.